Hello everyone. My name is Dr. and this is a report from the Void Jackie Council. As y'all may know, the subject virus is called the D-1231 virus. It's a rapid spreading virus that infects the host immediately. 500 cases were reported in Texas of the United States. Only one casualty was reported, and several severely ill. A bunch of the infected have started to rose up, and it's now spreading the virus. National Guard armed forces will be deployed to stop the spread of the virus. This virus was originated from an unknown laboratory away from the world, somewhere in. Well, good luck to you all. May God be with you all.